So on the door panels, Alex got this design feature we added molded in. We actually sourced Burmeister grills. These are aluminum metal grills that come in the Mercedes. So it'll look like a Mercedes part. As far as the dash goes, he actually got all the vents to fit. So if you see, these are all same thing. These are all Mercedes style vents, which will also light up. And he actually got the Burmeister tweeter in the dash. So this car will have a three-way setup. Tweeter in the dash, middler in the door, mid-bass driver in the kick. As far as the center console goes, he's got it all pretty much built. So we have the instrument cluster up front, up top, the Alpine 11-inch radio, shifter, controls, glove box with a wireless charging port right here. And then we added a rear cup holder just to kind of tie it all together. As far as the back goes, so he built all the enclosures, so we're actually going to have 4 8-inch audio mobile drivers in here. This groove will actually house a really thin light, just like the new Mercedes S-Class has in it, as well as we'll have pressed grills. This is just a sample piece for now. And then we'll also have actually the rear armrest. This will also have a grill, so it'll kind of blend in and look like it's not there. Panels are already made, and we've actually gapped for leather. So, because all of this will be covered in leather. And currently, Alex is bolting in these are actually full power seats out of a modern day car. So they'll have full power, front, back, up, down, left, right, the whole nine. And they'll bolt in and plug in as if they came with the car from the factory.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.